4 bedroom, 2.5 bath traditional with metal roof and sought after area, the Oaks. All bedrooms are up, plus a playroom with back stairs. Living room, dining room, den west/fireplace, nice kitchen west/breakfast room, laundry room. Hardwood up and down, except playroom. Large deck overlooks pretty backyard with lots of trees. 13 Bahama Spa exercise spa only 3 years old. Windows replaced, exterior painted 2 years ago. Interior just painted. Buzz-free mosquito system. Double garage. Dual HVAC. Start showing Friday a.m.